Nestled on the corner lot of a gorgeous tree-lined street, you will find this impeccably designed stone Cape Cod. Hi, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, and welcome to our newest listing, 124 Woodland Drive. You will fall in love with the spacious open concept and beautifully fully remodeled design of this home. So come on in and let's go check it out. Walking in, you will notice that the first floor is drenched in natural light, thanks to the abundance of oversized windows in each and every room. The luxurious family and dining room areas intertwine, with this exquisite gourmet kitchen anchoring the space. This is the attention to detail that you have been searching for. Custom Bonera cabinetry, Cambria quartz countertops, Thermador appliances, a sprawling island, beautiful new lighting fixtures, and Italian travertine stone flooring throughout. A wine bar and deck access round out the family room, making this space perfect for entertaining. Across the foyer, the spacious sunken living room greets you with high ceilings, a stone fireplace, and beautiful original hardwood flooring. The second floor is simply spectacular. The spacious master bedroom is truly an oasis with 2 custom closets and one of the most amazing ensuite baths that I have ever seen. You will love getting ready every morning in this spa-like bath with heated floors, custom cabinetry, a vanity, water closet, and a tiled wet room with a walk-in shower and a soaking tub. Additionally, on this floor, you will find 3 bedrooms, all with great closet space, and 2 more fully remodeled bathrooms. This outdoor space is an entertainer's dream. The oversized Trex deck, complete with an automated awning that flows beautifully into the stone patio setup with both a fire pit and space for seating. The lower level has been fully remodeled with a wet bar, game room, full bath, laundry room, and a flex space that can easily be used as a gym or an extra playroom. Located in the beloved Hoodridge neighborhood of Mount Lebanon, this home is steps away from Foster Elementary School and Rockwood Park. This home provides for quick access to Fresh Market, the Galleria, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and South Hills Village. Thank you for touring this lovely home with me today. If you have any questions or if you'd like any additional information, please reach out or visit our website at coultercastillorealtors.com. Again, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.